Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set your own custom profile URL on Facebook. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Log into your Facebook account and go to settings. Now here in the general profile settings, you can see the username. Click on edit. I've already set my custom URL, so I don't want to change this, but if you haven't set your URL, then you can type in your username in the box and hit save changes. Now you can type facebook.com/your username to visit your profile. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.